This is GigaCloud Technology on the monthly chart. The chart suggests the bottoms are in at the $4 level. We could also see on the weekly chart we have a nice uptrend since price bottomed at $4. However, on the daily chart, we can see price selling off. So why is price selling off? Let's get into the news. This article is coming from the Motley Fool. Why GigaCloud Technology stock fell 28% this week. So shares of GigaCloud Technology are down 28% this week as of Thursday's close, as the market jeered the business-to-business marketplace platforms move to acquire a seemingly disparate company called Noble House Home Furnishing. Shares at the company plunged 25% alone on Tuesday after the company issued a press release announcing it had entered into a definitive agreement as a so-called stalking horse bidder to acquire substantially all of the assets of Noble House for $85 million in cash. Now, what is a stalking horse bidder? It's one that strikes the initial deal with the bankrupt company to acquire some of or all of its distressed assets. Now, who is Noble House? They're described as a leading distributor, manufacturer, and retailer of an extensive selection of indoor and outdoor home furnishings, and sells its products through third-party channels at major retailers. With more than 8,000 stock-keeping units and a strong supply chain, GigaCloud believes Noble House will strengthen its direct-to-retail business and direct-to-consumer sales by supplementing its product range, according to the CEO. Now, this is the big part. If GigaCloud emerges triumphant, it would be a relatively large deal for a company with a market cap of just under $500 million. Even if it can turn lemons into lemonade in this case, investors would also need to grapple with the risk of purchasing the assets of a bankrupt business that requires stabilization in the first place. Going back to the daily chart, we're at a pivotal level as this $11 to $13 has been a magnet for price. You can see it was support, became resistance. Potentially it's going to act as support again. But based on the volume, it's very illiquid. Again, it only has a $500 market cap, meaning it's very volatile. So with that said, you got to go back to the weekly chart. You got to go back to higher time frames to kind of avoid the noise. And as long as price can respect this weekly uptrend line, chart suggests it's an opportunity to go long. Look for a first target at the origin of the sell-off at the $18 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.